Now Sabrina, did you know that I have travelled from Scotland to the Ethiopia? Peruvian Amazon. Our beautiful Scotland. Alright, so we're over here. So for those like that, they have very epic, pomeranian species. Around here, business begin. Our being brings to a goal. So these birds, they can be found in Australia and in 75
It means it loves take advantage of advantages.
And the thing is, whenever you are ready, oh my god, good job. You know what? Let's get this behind you.
Citizen, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Okay.
Listen up, because he is going to tell you his name. Guess what? He can also sing the birthday song. Amigo, you know what to do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I love it whenever you're ready.
Up front has a broad sole. This gives them the strength and 2, 3, up it goes!